Guess what? I'm making millions as a woman entrepreneur, and I just want you to copy me, right? Let's emulate, not imitate. I built several 10 multi-million-dollar businesses for myself, and I've helped thousands of women in various industries do the same. Over the past 20 years, I don't have massive overhead. I don't waste time in endless meetings, and I don't work 80 hours a week. I follow a proven formula that allows me to scale businesses effectively while maintaining complete freedom. There are a ton of videos out there claiming to show women how to grow a business, but honestly, most of them are just confusing. And the truth is, if you want to scale to 7 or 8 figures, you don't need complicated strategy. You just need to follow these steps. And in this video, I'm going to break down each one of them. The first thing is all about your mindset. We need to rewire it for wealth. Success just isn't about what you do, it's what we believe. If you think about scaling means sacrificing your health, relationships, freedom, you're already lost. The richest women in the world don't hustle harder, they work smarter. So replace the I have to work harder with I need to work smarter. Ditch the burnout mindset, embrace CEO thinking. Your income will never exceed your mindset, so let's level that up first. So I want you to write down some of your limiting beliefs that's keeping you from scaling and flip that script to something more empowering, like I have to work hard to I attract wealth with ease and grace. The second strategy is prioritizing high impact activities. Stop doing $10 tasks. You're either running your business like a CEO or like an employee. Which one is it? Wasting time in emails and admin and low dollar activities. I want you to start focus on money making moves. High impact activities equal revenue plus growth. With your sales and marketing, that's your money machine. Your networking, that's your fast track to scaling. Build high ticket offers. No more money, no more working less. It's working smart. Track your time for the week. Highlight everything that doesn't drive your revenue or your growth. Then delegate it or dump it or automate it. Step 3 is let's keep your business model simple. Complexity kills growth. If it's complicated, it's not scaling. You want to hit 7 or 8 figure business? Let's focus on one core offer. Not 10, not 50 product lineup. Like, let's scale what's already working. Stop reinventing the wheel. Let's keep it streamlined and keep it scalable. So if your business model feels overwhelming, it's time to trim the fat. What's your most profitable offer? And let's focus on that first. Step 4 is let's implement systems and processes, because chaos doesn't scale. If you don't have systems, you don't have a business. You own a full-time job. So here's how to make sure your business runs like a well-oiled machine. We want to automate daily operations, your customer support, your sales tracking, your payments. Document your standard operating procedures. No more guesswork. Let's create workflows without you, because you're not in business to micromanage. So I want you to identify one task that you can do, that you're doing manually, that you can automate today. Here's a hint. Let's look at your scheduling, invoicing, more importantly, lead follow-up. Step 5, let's build a personal brand. Be seen, be paid. People don't buy from businesses, they buy from us, people. The women making millions, they're visible, they're everywhere. We're everywhere. Position yourself as an authority. Your audience needs to trust you. Create high value content, videos, podcasts, social media. Show up. Use your story to connect. People buy from who they can relate to. So here's an action. I want you to write down one thing that you want to be known for and start creating it. What's mine? Wealth is your birthright. I'm your profit coach. Step 6 is all about automate and delegate. Let's free up your time and scale faster. The number one reason women entrepreneurs get stuck, we're trying to do it all. Let's change that. Let's hire for execution, not just support. Your team should be producing results. Automate repeatable tasks. Let's use AI and customer relationship management software. Get out of the daily operations. Let's look at one task that you can find that you can delete or automate. Okay, step 7, this is one of my favorites. Network and collaborate. Your net worth equals your self-worth. Your net worth equals your net worth. It's important to understand that leverage those relationships and leverage partnerships the right way. We want to collaborate with high-level entrepreneurs and influencers. Tap into other people's audiences. Let's use strategic partnerships because that equals instant exposure. Create joint ventures, referral networks, because warm leads convert faster. What's an actionable takeaway you can take? Reach out to 3 potential partners this week and pitch a win-win collaboration. You don't have to have all the answers. Step 8 is developing consistent revenue streams. Stability equals freedom. You want to make millions? Build revenue streams that pay you over and over and over. Stop chasing sales. Build a system that prints money. We call that back of the head money. Let's offer high ticket offers, right? More value, more revenue. We can create a subscription-based model with reoccurring revenue, monthly memberships, retainers, passive income. Let's monetize your audience beyond the one-time sale. Think about digital products, courses, licensing. What's one way you can add reoccurring revenue to your business model? Step 9, make data-driven decisions. Guessing is for amateurs. You can't scale without measuring. Successful businesses track everything. Sales conversion rates. Is your offer actually selling? Customer acquisition cost. Are you spending smart on marketing? We're managing our profit margins because revenue means nothing if you're not keeping it. Start tracking your key metrics weekly. Stop making decisions based on emotions and feelings. Step 10, I want you to embrace freedom. Build a business that works for you. The goal is not just making money. The goal is making money while having a life. Set your business up to run without you because freedom equals real success. Take time off. Yes, millionaires take vacations. Remember why you started. Your business should serve you, not the other way around. This week, I want you to schedule at least 1 CEO day per month. No meetings, no calls, just vision and strategy. Take time to think, step back, so you can look inside your business. Well, that's how I'm making millions as a woman entrepreneur. And if you're a businesswoman and you have your own business, go watch my 100% free course that I released on YouTube that teaches you every single step you need to grow as a businesswoman in 2025. If you learned something from this video, make sure you like and subscribe and share it with your community. See you on the next one, and let's build your empire together. Remember, you're in business for yourself, not by yourself. I'm your profit coach, Dr. Susie.